Hello, my name is Friedemann Leutsch from the company K.M.E, which stands for Klingenthaler Musikelektronik GmbH. We are a German-based company producing loudspeaker systems and amplifiers. And at this year's ISE 2020, we are presenting our professional series and our installation series, as well as our portable series. And we are featuring our product Will X5 from the Verge X series, which is our portable part. And the special thing about it is that you can decide which dispersion you want. So it's a double 5-inch system with a 1-inch HF driver on a waveguide. And for rotating the 90 by 30 dispersions, you just remove the grill and unscrew the screws, turn the waveguide, and then you can put it, for example, on the stage or on the balcony and have the possibility to move it in landscape and portrait mode. So a really flexible working tool. And for more information, you can just visit our website, kme-sound.com, and thank you very much.